Hey everyone, how we doing? Hoping you guys are doing amazingly well. So I'm actually here in my kitchen. I'm getting ready to start like another mini garden, because the one that I showed you guys in regards to the avocado, let me see, the avocado, what was it? I think that was it. It was like 3 cups of avocado, some onion, and a green onion and an onion. But yesterday I had like some dried seeds in like a little container like here of jalapenos, and we started some seed dry, and I didn't realize that you have to start them as a plant, okay? Because I mean, farmers, that's what they start. They start their seed, throw it in, they sow it, and that's it. And then the harvest comes up. But yesterday, I swear to God, now you guys knew it was cloudy for those that live in Illinois, you know, in the Kane County, Illinois area, that it was raining on Mother's Day. So I'm like, not cleaning the kitchen, but you know, because the kitchen's already clean. But like I said, I was, you know, making myself a snack and everything else, and I'm looking at my little starting my seeds in like a paper towel, and I wasn't going to videotape it because I'm just like, okay, because if it doesn't come up, it's not gonna be worth videotaping. So I'm gonna flip you guys. I'm gonna stop this phone camera because I got you guys on my phone camera. But I can't believe it. I'm just like, wow, you know. But this was yesterday in the morning. There was no sun, but I put it into a paper towel, and I'm going to show you guys in just a second. Okay, be right back. So here, as you can see, okay, because I had it in here because I already knew it was like jalapenos. Now, I don't eat jalapenos, but my husband does. So it is like these choose a size paper towels. I grabbed a paper towel, and I, what's the word I'm looking for? I soaked it. And as you can see, look at that. It's already starting to come out with more plants. So I'm trying to like pull this back carefully, and I mean, look at that. I mean, it's just like, okay, so I mean, it's just like, okay, it shouldn't be that green. Let me see if I had tweezers, I could probably look at them better. But I got it wet, and all right, I'm gonna put you guys on pause, and I'm gonna go get some tweezers. So I got myself some baby tweezers, okay, right there. Now let's look at this one right here. Okay, so okay, just making sure I can. All right, let's check this right here, this one. Okay, oop, because I don't want to squeeze it and then damage it, you know. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. And let's see if we got any more. Okay, yeah, because as you can see where the indentation is, I tried to keep them all, and I'm gonna kind of, let me see. Let me grab a butter knife here, guys. 1 second. All right, so I'm gonna. All right, and they shouldn't be on top of each other either. Okay, so I'm gonna like spread them out some more. Okay, now within about a week it should give out some more, and I'm gonna put this right here. There we go. All right, and these are my Mother's Day flowers for my daughter. I put them inside a little grapefruit container that I'm already done with because I saved those containers. I got like tons. I mean, I got hundreds and hundreds of those containers. So, but yeah. But anyways, but some of this, you know, we're probably gonna take off and everything else too. So this one I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna leave that one. I'm just gonna see what it's gonna be like. But I just wanted to show you guys. This is the second day, but honestly, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, and then I'm gonna put it back in here, and then put it within the sun. Right now, this back window is not getting any sun, so I'm gonna like move all the plants towards this window here, or even on the porch, just so they can get some sun and stuff. So yeah, that's about it. And so that's technically it, guys. Right now I'm actually creating, I don't know what I do with it. All right, here we go. Kind of like doing like almost like a hydroponic type thing with some water here and stuff, but we'll see what happens, and I'll kind of like do like a little tutorial on this also. But anyways, just wanted to show you what I got going. Thank you so much for being here with me. Like I said, the little bit of a garden that I got going on, and I'll come back and show you how I did it. And like I said, just a regular old paper towel. Okay, just a regular old paper towel that I grabbed and grabbed it, and then I put it under water, and I ended up soaking it, squeezed the water out of it really good, and then I just put it into a little plastic bag just like this, and then I set this in the window, and you can squeeze the air out if you want, because it does need some air, but you know, just a little bit of a, or you know, you can just squeeze it the way it is, just like that, and just leave a little bit of air for, just like that. Okay, because you could see the water from the condensation. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see that water? It's like right here, the condensation. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this here while I wait. Wow, this really, my chia pudding, wow, really, really thick. Dang, it's really thick. All right, so, but anyways, there's a video also on how to make chia pudding on my channel. But yeah, so that's it, guys. I'll come back in about a week and show you these seed starters that we did just from our the food that we eat. So you guys take it easy, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.